Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review this passion twist wig for you guys. It's from Main Concepts Red Carpet Collection. It features a 4x4 lace coverage, baby hairs, it's knot free, and it's in the color T1B350 and it is 30 inches long. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. It is already so gorgeous. In terms of the construction of this cap, it comes with the standard comb at the back and two combs at the front. This is what the 4x4 lace coverage looks like from the inside, and it has those adjustable straps at the back. This is a close-up of the inside, the roots of the wig. These are the baby hairs that it comes with. So I have my hair twisted up and I put on a cap to get it as flat as I can, and this is what it's gonna look like for the first time on. I would say that it is a big head friendly wig because my head is pretty big and it fit quite snug on there, not too tight or anything like that. I went ahead and cut off the lace, and now we're gonna see what it truly looks like. And put it in the combs at the front and just getting the placement right. Yeah, I think this is it. I am going to glue down the sides of it using my Got2b styling gel. And I'm just going to blow dry it so that it can get a little tacky and the sides would stay down. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side of camera. Now I'm just going to trim the baby hairs a bit because they're quite long. And swoop those for you guys. So this is what we're looking like so far. These are the edges. As you can see, it's quite long. I can't even fit the entire length of it in the frame of this video. But it is gorgeous. This is the back of it. They definitely did a good job with this wig. I love it. Here I'm just playing around with it, see what sort of styles I can achieve with it. I am going to add some hair jewels just to top it off. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.